We are at the Shiawassee National Wildlife Refuge near Saginaw, Michigan, and we are here because we are at our research study where we are going to be investigating invasive cattail management at a restoration practical scale. Best part of my job is working with students because they really bring a lot of the energy and the curiosity and the interest in a lot of the research questions that they are going to be involved in. So we have a mixture of graduate students and undergraduate students. As part of that, our students are hired as research technicians. So we bring them out to the field, we show them how an ecologist assesses plant communities. We look at plant identification, we teach them the tools of the trade, GIS and statistics, to be able to answer professional level, research, academic level kind of questions.
In the past year as a research tech, I have gotten to do everything from working in the field and collecting soil samples and vegetation data, and then also running that data in the lab. So I actually work on the ion chromatograph at Loyola during the school year, and I look at all of the nutrient pools at each of the plots that we sample. So that's been a huge learning experience for me. I did not have any of those lab skills before I started.
Working with this team has been great so far. It's been really educational. I've learned a lot of fieldwork skills. I've learned so many scientific plant names, which comes in handy when identifying.
It's so cool to be able to do work that influences the environment right around us. Like, we live in the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes are extremely vulnerable and important, regardless of whether I'm pursuing my own project or helping with my coworkers' projects, which is what I'm doing now. I feel like the work is very impactful.
With this program, they get to ask their own research question and conduct their own project.
We work with the students a lot on developing really interesting research questions. Those questions are associated with the bigger projects that we're also conducting. So oftentimes the students will get folded into peer-reviewed publications in the process of their works, which also gives them a major leg up on their future if they're interested in pursuing science or graduate school after graduating from Loyola.
And then they're coming together to really kind of push the boundaries of their knowledge and ask a question that has never been answered before. So it really makes for a great experience for not only us as the researcher, primary investigators, but for the students who are growing and learning how to be field ecologists.
Brian and Shane are both really good at getting all the students involved and working independently on their own work. So it's cool to have, under their guidance, completed a undergraduate research project, and that's sort of prepared me in the being able to do independent research realm. And then also working in their lab, we just learn so much about machinery that we're using, about the plants that we see out there. I feel like I know a lot about the spaces we've worked in, and that's because of them.
I think there's so many opportunities through SES, and that the faculty really want you to succeed. We get to see how it all connects. And I think that's just really important to start your own career and find what you're interested in. And I think that's what all of the staff wants you to do, is not copy them, but find your own way.